Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're installing some rain guards, window visors, whatever you want to call them. Amazon, super cheap, less than 30 bucks. I love them. I have them on the daily. We're gonna get them on this truck. We just got the windows tinted 5% all the way around, and let's just add a little touch. Now in the box, we do have the two vent visors, rain guards, a little bit of an instruction sheet. These are in-channel visors, not the outside. Normally they do come with some type of cleaning cloth to clean inside in between the window and the seal. This one did not, but we'll get it all clean ourselves and get these put on. I forgot to make an outro for this video, but I've had these on for like 2 weeks, maybe 3. No weird noises, they fit phenomenal, they look phenomenal. I'm always a fan of the in-channel versus the kind you put on the outside, but I love them. Add a little touch, they look good, under 30 bucks. Off Amazon, why not pick some up? But we're gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.